Alright YouTube, real quick, I'm doing a giveaway on this channel, giving away some more Supreme gloves. Now if you guys want to enter in the giveaway, make sure you are subscribed to the channel. Follow me on Instagram at breezy_kicks23. In this video, comment the word hype as well as your IG user tag. That will enter you in the giveaway. Good luck. While almost identical to the 2019 Travis Scott Air Jordan 1, the Air Jordan 1 High OG Dark Mocha is suggested to drop this fall, boasting clean cell leather atop the toe box, side panels, ankle portion. The highlight dark mocha suede overlays are prominent on the ankle heel, while black is on the midsole and toe cap. Air Jordan branding matches Wings logo and swooshes, followed by a cell rubber midsole and black rubber outsole completes the design. Look for the Air Jordan 1 High OG Dark Mocha to release on October 31st at select Nike retailers and the Nike Snkrs app. The retail price tag is set at $170. Now I will be leaving places to cop this shoe in the description below, so make sure you guys check that out. I will also go over Resell, but before we do any of that, I got a lot to say about this colorway. First off, obviously this is very close to the Travis Scott colorway. A lot of people have been saying that this colorway is better than the Travis Scott one, and I just gotta say I disagree with that 100%. The thing I don't get is they are the same color, but like Travis Scott brings so much more to the table. The quality is probably the same, the colorway is very close, but the Travis Scott has the backward swoosh, the pouches on the heel, a little different material, special logos on the heel section. He's bringing that Travis Scott feel to a Jordan 1 in a dope colorway. I just don't get the people saying that this colorway is better than the Travis Scott's. Honestly, that doesn't make sense to me. I think people are just saying that because they don't want to be hype beasts. And to be honest, if the Travis Scott dropped after the Mochas, the Mochas wouldn't even get that much love. Like, they'd probably go for around 300 bucks resale, and then it wouldn't be until after the Travis Scott's dropped that the price would go up. So the only reason this shoe even has hype, in my opinion, is because the Travis Scott won. So that right there should tell you that the Travis Scott is better than the Mochas. I don't mean to go off on a rant, it's just something that has been bothering me, and I just find it funny. Now, obviously, this is a dope color scheme. The quality is on point, and there's definitely gonna be some resale. You got the nice brown suede in the heel section, then wrapped around the toe section is that nice black leather. You got a white midsole, black outsole, you got a white tongue. The shoe does come with black laces. I think some brown laces would look dope on the shoe, as well as some white ones. I guarantee we'll see people throwing on the pink laces as well. So a lot of cool options with this colorway. But yeah, like I said, I will be leaving links to places dropping this shoe in the description below. That's places holding raffles, all that good stuff. Now, if you're going for the shoe on the Snkrs app, there are a few tips and tricks I want to quickly give you guys. First off, you're gonna want all your stuff preset. You're gonna want your sizing, your shipping, your payment information. You want that all preset. Then what you're gonna want to do is go to your Touch ID option, turn that on. You can use the face scan, and that's super quick. You pretty much just click buy, it scans your face, boom, done. Or if you got your fingerprint, it's just a quick click, then your fingerprint scan, and bam. Now you can have 3 different accounts on one credit card, so you're gonna want to get some friends and family to help you out. Make some different accounts, whatever it may be. Preferably, if those people have addresses of their own, have them shipped to their house if possible. You're just more likely to actually get the shoe if you have different addresses. Now, getting into resale. I see this shoe going for around $350 to $550 depending on the size. If you want the most for resale, I recommend you go for the lower sizes. I would like this shoe as a personal. Like I said, I do think it's a nice colorway. It's a way to get something close to Travis Scott without paying over $1,000. But with that being said, you're always gonna get the hate comments like, oh, broke boys, Travis Scott ones, blah, 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 which I think is pathetic. Honestly, just wear what you like. Now, let me know what you guys think of the colorway. What do you think resale is gonna be? Comment that down below. Make sure if you are new to the channel, you subscribe. Hit that like button if you like the content. Follow me on Instagram at breezy_kicks23. That being said, it's your boy Breezy Kicks. We out.
I don't trust no one but in God that we trust, nigga. If we getting rated, everything is getting flushed. I done had 12 through that shit more than once, nigga. If I gotta go and make a move, best believe it's getting done. Best believe it's getting done. Best believe it's getting done. I don't trust no one but in God that we trust, nigga. If we getting rated, everything is getting flushed. I done had 12 through that shit more than once.